videoing.
No, it needs to be done outside, buddy, because you can't see birds going back and forth from one tree to one tree.
I gotta tell you, these birds are really crazy. They're gonna eat us alive one day. I gotta go outside and see what's going on with these birds. Because they're flying back and forth really crazy. See these birds? They're going back and forth. It's really weird. Okay, so I'm thinking we go out to the road. I'm gonna video. It's really scary. I mean, it's an eclipse. Oh, that's playing. Okay, the birds are going back and forth. And at the back trees, too. See all these birds? They're crazy. Woohoo! Look at our birds. They're going from that tree to this tree. See that one? Look, they're just sourcing around. I mean, there's some crazy birds. You don't see birds like doing this no more. See that one? See that one go? Look at that one. Yeah, look at that one. Look at all those. Just back and forth. Like they're protecting something. And look at the back there. They're doing it back there too. Okay, this video's over. Look on the roof. Look on that roof. I zoom in. They're everywhere. Look up here. Look at that one bird right there. Yay. Wow. Wow. Look at them. Bye, birdies. Whee.